So what we've got here is SharePoint 2010 and our Learning Gateway. This is the first view that everybody logs onto and sees when they actually access the computer systems at West High School. What I'm going to show you is what we call Academic Review Day, which is basically a day where students come in with their parents, have an interview with the teacher, and a form is filled in to actually produce targets for the next year. Up until now this has been a paper exercise, but what we've done this year is using the power of SharePoint 2010 and InfoPath 2010 is produce a form. So what I'm going to do is just take you through what they actually do on the day. So here's the Academic Review Day form. We load it up, simple web part put into a SharePoint page to show the form. This is then filled in with people pickers, so we can actually pull the data out of Active Directory for the actual student. Then they select the year group. Here we're pulling down from other lists within SharePoint and using filtering within the form to actually pick out things like the tutor, the learning manager. Here parents will put in their email address, and then down here, because it's the first time we're doing it online, is where we'd actually set a target. And at that point, with all the targets set, we'd click on the save button. So what I'm going to show you now is what happens in the background. So what we've got now is a view all site content of the site that runs Academic Review Day, and here we've got an Academic Review Days list. And if we click into this, you can see there's currently one entry, which you can see is all filled in, picked out all the details, got the parents' email addresses in there, and God, where did it show that? So here we've got a view all site content list of the site that's running Academic Review Day. The list here with the Academic Review Day data. What I obviously can't do is open that data up because it holds current live data that contains details of our students. But in there is a list which contains all the details using parent emails, etc. And what the list does, once an event is added, it uses workflows done in SharePoint Designer to actually send emails out to the parent and the student, detailing the targets that have been set.